Faith, somebody like Faith, she's going to leave here today and head off to a concert tonight and perform in front of hundreds. Will she stay like this, or will she go and get changed into a different style?
Faith could very much go the way she is, but I know we're Faith's for performing tonight, and we would pump up the volume for her. We want her to ooze that sexy, a little bit more of an after 5 look is required for Faith tonight. So this look is great, and it depicts that rock chick sort of look, which is fabulous. But Faith is performing tonight in a more elegant and classy environment. Yeah. So we're going to be pulling out. It's really important that Faith's comfortable while she's performing, because she's playing and she's singing, and we don't want too much cleavage falling out or anything. No. We've come to listen and watch a little bit. So for Faith, we'd definitely be doing maybe even the arias number and tone it down, but definitely something very elegant and fun, but a little bit more sexy for tonight. So we've got to think of where we're going. Yeah.
So Sam, what would be, we're all different types, although we're the same. What would be, say, your top 3 tips that you could give, anybody that's listening in on our conversation today, if they had to go to their wardrobe now without your help?
Yes.
What could they look at it and say, I want to go, it's Friday night, I'd like to go out and I want to look fabulous. What 3 things should they look for?
Okay, the 3 things they need to look for is comfort, first of all. So if you have a think of where you're going. So say you're going out for dinner. It's Valentine's Day and you're being taken out for tea. So have a think of where you're going. Do you want to be more casual or do you want to be more dressed up? And if it's a casual sort of evening-y environment, but, it's sort of more maybe down the tie down by a beachside suburb or whatever, then a gorgeous pair of jeans that feel comfortable on you, okay, you pop those on with a favourite shirt. So first of all, think of where you're going and what occasion are you dressing for. That is the most important thing, because you don't want to look under or too overdressed. It's got to be appropriate. Then comfort. What feels comfortable on you, because you can bet your bottom dollar whatever feels comfortable on you is right for you. And then I want you to look at colour. I want you to go to your wardrobe and hold things up against you, and do you feel good in it or don't you? Does it make you look tired? Does it energise you? Whatever. And go for colour. So really it's appropriateness to the situation, comfort, and then the colour. The colour and the shape, but that will come into if you feel comfortable in it or not. So they're my 3 tips for everybody leaving today, is appropriateness, the comfort, and the colours that energise you with what you have in your wardrobe. And if you don't have anything in your wardrobe that ticks those boxes, then we need to start and really have a look at your individual style and where you're going wrong.
Great tips.
Okay, well, look, thanks for joining us this episode. We have some fabulous up-and-coming episodes over the next couple of months, and we're going to be looking at things like the balancing act, body shape. How do you balance out those rather fuller thighs and smaller bust, or fuller bust and tiny legs? And how do you dress appropriate to your body shape? We're also going to be looking at things like gorgeous grooming, how to get gorgeous in 10 minutes, because time is of the essence. It's something that a lot of us don't have, particularly, when we're working and children and just lifestyle in general. And we're also going to cover off things like fashion trends, how to make them work for you, what's hot coming in for winter 2010. We're on the edge of getting into the winter for 2010. So what are the key trends? Who should be wearing what? And also some shopping tips. Everybody wants to get a little bit more knowledgeable. So I'm hopefully taking you guys all to the shops with me, and we're going to have a video cam, and we're going to go around the shops and actually do some shopping together, so tips. So we're here to help you in all areas of style, image and fashion. That's what Style Concepts TV is all about. So I hope you've all enjoyed today. I hope we've given you some tips that you can use straight away. I hope we've inspired you. Just like to thank these incredibly beautiful, inspirational and real women that have joined our panel today. It's been a pleasure working with you guys over some of you years, some of you months. And I look forward to bringing you some more episodes on style concepts over the coming months. So thanks for joining us. I'm Sam Woods, Vibrantly Yours.